We're just doing a bit of preparation work. How are you feeling, Was?
It's really good, man. Really good. It's all hands-on. I enjoy hands-on.
Right. So what is it? What you're actually doing now?
Well, your trick of the trade really helps because it just makes things really easy. I was actually going to take a picture of it and then do it, but the way you said is way easier because you can't slip up.
That's it. Good. So you have to be in it to win it, to find out what's going on, eh?
That's it.
All right. Good. So you're just now working on the old valve. So with the guidance of your coach, how's it feel doing the job?
Do you know what? It makes it easier, simpler. Like I said, what you told me when we started this, you was like, okay, do it like this. There's no way you can get it wrong. So satisfied with that. Now replacing the head on that, pretty straightforward, but again, it's like you said, it's guidance. You've been given simple instructions, you follow them, and cool.
Yeah. Right, so yeah, we're going to turn it on, put the fuse back in. We'll give it a test. Centrating only, because that was our original problem. And the burner light is on. Because before the burner light was off on the centrating. So we've done it. Your hair on. You fixed the problem.
Thank you very much.
So how do you feel about that?
That's good. Every single day has been a learning curve. Every single moment has been a learning curve, and even this, some people might look at it who are very experienced and say that was easy, but for someone that's sort of fresh, it's knowledge. Every bit is knowledge, even from fault finding down to even replacing the part, and job satisfaction really.
Excellent, cool. We'll just nip upstairs and just tidy up, and then we're out of it. Just a little bit more education for you. This is a fully pumped system with a mid-position valve, because you can have fully pumped system with 2 zone valves.
Yes.
So this is the Y plan, yeah?
Yep.
So, they're just on the start, as you know. The programmer's downstairs,
Yep.
as you know, yeah? There's a pump. And we've seen a boiler just before.
That's correct,
Yeah?
yes.
Okay. So, can you remember on hot water mode what happens?
Okay, I'm gonna try. So on hot water mode, programmer sends a signal to the cylinder step on the common,
Okay.
which switches to 1.
That's it.
1 moves.
It goes to where? Direct feed.
Direct feed to the pump and the boiler. Pump.
Okay, so
for
direct feed.
circulation.
The direct feed is basically that wire there coming in on the orange, and then that goes to the pump and boiler, yeah?
Yep.
Okay. Then what happens then? Suppose this is like up to temperature.
So when that's up to temperature, it switches from 1 to 2,
Yeah.
and the 2 is on the grey wire.
Yeah, so that's this wire here. Yeah, that grey one.
Yep.
What's that do?
And the grey one, once the temperature's reached to its temperature, the required temperature, it switches the mid position valve to heating only.
That's it, yeah. Excellent. Wow. So what about on the heating side, what happens?
On the heating, the programmer sends signal to the room thermostat.
Yeah.
On 1, that switches to 3. 3 is connected to the white wire.
Which is that one.
That one there, yeah.
Yeah. And what's that do?
And that is goes to the mid position valve. It moves it to the mid position.
Yeah.
For hot water and central heating.
Excellent. Wow, what a star. Excellent. I'm really impressed. This is the type of information what you can learn on this program. And this guy's with what, 3 weeks, 4?
Yeah.
And look at the knowledge what he knows, and look what he's just done. This could be you. Absolutely amazing. Proud of you.
Oh, thanks, man.
Okay, so that's going to be it from us. I'm going to see you on the next episode.